In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate in Canva. If you want to turn your Canva design into another language without manually rewriting every text box, Canva has a built-in tool that makes the process much faster. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and how to use it so your translated version appears right inside your design. To get started, open your Canva design. Make sure you're inside the project you want to work on, because the translation tool will apply directly to the text in that design. Once your design is open, look over to the left sidebar and click on Apps. This is where Canva keeps extra tools and features that can help you customize or automate parts of your design workflow. After the Apps panel opens, go to the search field at the top and type in Translate. In the search results, find the Translate app and select it. This will open the translation panel where you can choose how you want Canva to handle the text in your design. At the top of the Translate panel, click the language drop-down and choose the language you want to translate your content into. Depending on what's available, you may also see tone of voice options. If you want the wording to feel more formal, casual, or tailored to a certain style, you can choose one of those settings. If not, you can simply leave it as is and continue. Next, decide what you want Canva to translate. You can choose to translate pages, which lets you select one page or multiple pages in your design, or you can choose select text from current page if you only want specific text boxes translated. This is useful if you want to keep some parts unchanged, like brand names or design elements that shouldn't be altered. Once you've made your selection, click Translate at the bottom of the left panel. Canva will begin processing the text. You'll see a loading indicator in the panel, so at this point, just give it a moment to finish. When the translation is complete, the translated text will appear in your design right away. This makes it easy to quickly review the result and check whether the layout still looks the way you want, especially if the translated text is longer or shorter than the original. And that's it. That's how to translate text in Canva using the built-in Translate app.